fucking morning, god damn it. We're out in Jodhpur here, and I guess on this trip we're determined to try every best dish in Jodhpur, because we had the best lassi, which wasn't the very best here, but at the other place it was. We tried the best gulab jamun, which wasn't the best gulab jamun, so I guess it's not going very well, huh? So today we're gonna try the best samosas in Jodhpur. It's called Shahi Samosa, recommended by our hotel. So we're gonna go there right now and have those Shahi Samosas for breakfast. So will they live up to the hype, or are they gonna be like everything else? We'll see. Let's find out. Walking through the morning market and the clock tower of Jodhpur. Hello. You got a lot of locks. Check out their locks. Oh, you got the same ones.
1200.
1200. So they're about the same price. Yeah. Check out all these different kinds of locks they have. Huh?
This is antique, camel.
Antique. Well, this looks kind of old. It's
Elephant.
It's rusting.
Where you from, sir?
Where I'm from Jodhpur.
You look like Indian.
Yes, I'm from Jodhpur.
Elephant.
Elephant. How much for the elephant?
1200.
1200.
Elephant, lion, camel, owl,
What
Buddha.
about the fish?
This one secret magic. Right?
Yeah.
Open, close, switch off.
Oh, it's got a secret.
Inside open, impossible.
It's
Can I mind you?
It's got a phantom keyhole. How do you open it though?
Another people open impossible. Secret magic, amazing.
Wow.
Very proud.
Jodhpur.
No, Jodhpur.
Yes. Why don't you believe me?
My city is Jodhpur.
Yeah, it's also my city.
Oh,
We're both from Jodhpur.
Yeah.
Brothers from Jodhpur.
Brother.
Yes. Right side.
No. Only. Left close. All lock. Right side open. Key out. Switch cross. Open.
Sir, just trying to learn how to operate an Indian lock. You can't figure it out. It's too complex for an American.
Key out. Switch cross. Right side open.
The right side open.
This one. Left close. Left close. Right open. Key out.
No, you can't figure it out. What's the point if you can't open your own lock? It's not very helpful.
It's okay. We're gonna go eat.
All right. Thank you very much.
They do have some fancy locks here.
Yeah. I mean, that's probably not the standard price, 1200. But they look kind of old and rusty, the big ones.
You can still buy them on Amazon.
Yep. For how much?
About the same price.
Same price, huh? Free shipping, you can return it, but not here. And there's the shop, the orange and black, Shahi Samosa. We're gonna go ahead and try that. Are they the best samosas in Jodhpur? Let's find out. Got a flip-flop shop, little plastic knickknacks. Trying to cross the road. Balloon man, not many balloons left. He's doing good. Hello, ladies. I didn't get any response from them. They were like, "Screw you, creep," with that Trump hat. Nobody wants to talk to you. Sorry. All right. Oh, there's no place to sit down. Here we are at the Shahi Samosa. Not very, doesn't look very clean, but. All right, so I guess we gotta stand and eat like regular old folks from Jodhpur. They're making the samosas here. How much are samosas? How much?
18 rupees.
18 rupees. Oh, here's the menu. All right, you wanna try one each first? Let's go for one. 2 Shahi samosas. Oh, that was fast.
It's still hot?
Yeah. 10 minutes? We'll wait.
Okay, I'll wait.
We'll wait. You want to have fresh out of the cauldron. There you go. That's how they make the samosas. That's the filling inside, and they throw them in the oil. Boil them for a little bit. The cauldron of oil. So that thrown in the samosas. All right, let's wait for the fresh batch of samosas. So it definitely looks like a very popular place. There's a lot of people coming to eat samosas. Samosa good? Best samosa? Alright, I sure hope so. We're only getting one though, just to try it out. Look at all these people having their breakfast out here. Oh, that's apparently drinking water. You wanna try to drink that?
Not for me.
I got a glass on a chain. The samosas are almost done. They're turning brown. Back there is preparing the stuffing. I think the samosas are almost ready now. There you go. The fresh batch of Shahi samosa. Skilled samosa maker. Oh, gotta be careful. Don't want to get splashed with oil. All right, let's go get our fresh samosa. Two samosas. There's a fresh batch right here. They are pretty big. Two. You have the sauce? No sauces? Just eat raw? That's pretty hot. Yeah, you gotta pay now, I guess. Pay in advance. Oh man. Well, so that's the samosa, and you don't really get any sauce with it for 18 rupees. You only get the big ass samosa. It's hot as hell. Ooh. Oh, hot. You have dangerous if you like. It is hot, but it's also very good. I think I could say that this place is not disappointing. The samosas are good. Very good samosa. Very hot. I'm gonna wait for it to cool down before I go any further. Guess we better get out of the way, huh? There's no tables or anything to put it down. That's we could probably put it down there. This is an Indian brunch. We're having an Indian brunch party. Everybody grab their plates. We got rotis, samosas, kachoris. And we're just invading their brunch. Oh shit.
और बढ़िया चटनी लाता नहीं
ये कही है ये वो फोन पे बात कर रहा था चटनी नहीं आती डिंडोरी है भाई 2 मिनट अरे 10 का राउंड है मेरा
These guys don't like the fact that we're using their counter. To eat from the other shop.
वो कहीं दादागिरी कर रही है जोरदार है यार
This man's the party killer. He destroyed the party. Fellow vloggers.
System funny ada.
All right. There's two types of kachoris, though. They have a lentil one and an onion one.
Which was better?
I mean, I haven't had any, so. Clearly not a fan of kachori. What's the best kachori? Onion? Okay.
Onion or lentil? Lentil?
Which is the best one? Onion or lentil? Onion? Okay.
Give me one. How much? 20.
20. All right, so that was the Shahi Samosa. I still haven't finished mine because it's hot, but it's very good. The Shahi Samosa did not disappoint. Definitely impressed. It is right by the clock tower. If you're in Jodhpur, you want to check it out. The orange and black spot. I mean, you can ask anyone. It's pretty popular, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
Shahi Samosa,
yeah.
What do you think of the kachoris? Very good?
Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah.
Oh, I guess he loved the katori. I should have tried one. All right.
What we should have got.
Yeah. All right, so that's it for the Shahi Samosa video. We loved it. I guess the kachoris are better.